Hi, this is Anup, and in this video, what we are going to see is how to use enrollment restrictions and compliance policies to achieve some level of patching in Windows devices before it gets enrolled or before it gets access to um, enterprise resources like email, Skype, SharePoint Online, etc. Okay, through Intune we can do that, and there are two options. First is, as I mentioned, first scenario is if you want to restrict those devices from enrolling into your enrollment itself, then what you can do is go to device enrollment. Okay, um, enrollment restrictions tab, and click on device type restrictions. Okay, and default. Okay, and if you can go to platform configurations. Okay, and as you can see over here, this Windows MDM, this setting is for only for Windows MDM. If you are using Intune agent, PC agent, for managing Windows devices, this setting won't be applicable for that. For example, this is the version table. Okay, Windows 10 version table. For example, like if you want to restrict the devices below this version. Okay, so that is 15063.87. So if for example, if the device is 1511, then the Windows 10 device won't be able to enroll to your enrollment. Okay, and if the device is above 1703 semi-annual channel, okay, then only the device will be allowed to enroll into Intune. Okay, so that is enrollment restriction policies. For example, what I can do over here is, so you can put the minimum version as 15063.877. Okay, over here, so that will be the minimum version supported. And what would be the maximum version supported? So I would say it 1707 semi-annual channel. Okay, and that version number is 16299.201. Okay, I put this as maximum range. Okay, so in this example, what we are going to get is like only the devices which are above 1703 semi-annual channel, and below 1709 semi-annual channel will be allowed to enroll into your enrollment. Okay, so that is the first step. The second scenario, you want those devices to get enrolled to your environment, but you can restrict from getting access to some of the company resources like enterprise resources like mail or SharePoint Online or something like that. Okay, so for that you can use compliance policies. Okay, so if you go to compliance policies over here in device complaints, you can add a new policy. Okay, and for example, like I would say test, and I would select Windows 10 later configuration. Okay, if I go to configure. Okay, so if I go to device properties, see over here, minimum OS version and maximum OS version. So if you go to more details, you can say like the operating system version is defined as major build. The version number must be correspond to the version returned by winver command. Okay, so if you look at my mission over here, the winver command shows my mission's version is 162.9.192. Okay, so if I go back to that version table again, okay, my mission's version is above 1703, okay, and below 1709, okay. So for example, over here what I'm going to put is if the OS version is below 1703 semi-annual, then I'm not going to allow these resources or these devices get access to email, okay. In this scenario, the device will be enrolled, but the device won't be able to get access to the corporate resources, okay. And maximum version, I'm going to use the same one. So if the maximum version is 162, and this is a maximum this is a version for 1709, a semi-annual channel, okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.